No one likes to really say that they're at this place, but it's so important that you don't allow life to creep up on you and your marriage. And don't be ashamed that you're not perfect, because I have news for you. No one is. Everyone who is married will need help in their marriage at some point, and there's no shame in that. You are called to community in every aspect of your life. God is not intended for you to live alone, or He does not expect for you to resolve your problems on your own. You should make every effort to exhaust all your options and to save your marriage if you find yourself in trouble. Don't forget to stick to your commitment, your covenant. Remember that the race is not given to the swift, but to the one who endures. Lastly, God is for your marriage. Partner with Him and show up and give 100%. Do what you can do. If you find yourself having some of these issues, or even some that are not listed here, it's best to be proactive rather than reactive. And it's actually okay to go to therapy or seek counsel or regular conversation about your marriage just for maintenance. Even if things are not going terribly wrong, if there aren't any red flags just yet, it's good to just have conversation about your marriage, because it'll open up the floor for when things do happen, when situations do come up. You don't have to be ashamed, you don't have to be afraid, and you don't have to be perfect. All you have to be is willing. I hope that you have enjoyed this presentation. I hope you found it useful. Here are some references of everything that I talked about here, and I hope that your marriage is one that lasts.